everyone, it's your girl Trista here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did this Ariana Grande inspired thank you next look. I think it turned out really cute, and it's actually like super duper easy. So I saw this look when I was watching like the thank you next video, and I thought it was just so cute, and it was kind of just like a hidden kind of look that no one really like looked at, I guess, or like, I don't know, I just felt like it needed to be more like addressed in a way. So I wanted to show you guys how I did this look. It literally took me 1 hour to do. This is of course my recreation. I have no idea how her makeup artist did it. I have no idea what she did to recreate this look, so this is kind of just like what I think work and what I think like, it's just kind of like my rendition of the Ariana Grande thank you next look. Here I am doing Ariana Grande again, but this time I wanted to share it with you guys, like the in-depth like look and like kind of like just like a hair and makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys want to know more about this look, then just keep on watching. Welcome to the first ever episode of DIY with Trista. The first thing you need is a glue gun and glue stick. Second thing you need is some small hair clips. I'm only going to be using the clear ones in this package, so make sure you get some clear ones. Third thing you need is some fake flowers. I actually spent so much money on Hobby Lobby on these, so make sure you don't be me. Okay, so all you have to do is literally just start cutting the flowers like so. And once you got all your flowers together, that's when you're ready to start gluing them onto those clear clippies that we have. The trick is not to glue the whole clip, the whole back of the clip. I don't hope that made sense, but don't just do one side of the clip so you can actually open it. I did that in the past and I really messed them up. So yeah, that's the hair clips, and let's get back into the tutorial. Hey guys, so the first things first, I'm going to start off with my hair. It is what it is. But I'm gonna do a high ponytail. I'm gonna use a lot of hairspray. So let's get started doing the high ponytail. I'm gonna start separating my bangs. We actually do have the same part, I believe. If I'm wrong, then that's gonna be really sad. So I'm just gonna like take out a part that's my bangs. I'm gonna hold these bangs with like a bobby pin. So we just get them out of the way. It's gonna look a little funny for a little while, but trust me, it's gonna look good in the end. Okay, so I'm gonna get some hairspray and a brush, and I'm just gonna pull it all the way back. I think I still need to like slick it up again, so I'm gonna do it again. Spray more to like slick up the hair a lot more. You have to use a lot of hairspray for this because it is very difficult. Here, I'm gonna like roll these up. So I pinned up my hair. I tried to do it. I tried to pick up my hair and like show you guys, but I had like a complete fail. So I'm gonna try it again. Basically, I used so much hairspray. I'm going to try to slick up my hair. My hair is kind of tangled, so I think that's the reason why I was having a lot of trouble with it. So make sure you brush down your hair and it's like completely untangled, or curly hair, make sure you like straighten it, because it's not gonna work if you just like go like first things first, you know what I'm saying? Now that my ponytail is like nice and slicked up already, I'm going to get a piece of my hair. Oh, by the way, I'm not using any fake hair. This is actually my actual hair. So I'm just going to grab this piece of my hair on the top and just wrap it around the pony until I am happy with the way it looks. It's a lot of wrapping. My hair got super long all of a sudden. I'm just gonna grab a bobby pin and secure it in behind the ponytail. Now for the bangs, I think I'm going to actually curl the bangs. Her hair was curled, so I'm gonna use a straightener for that. I'm gonna wait for it to heat up and then show you guys how I'm going to curl it, and then add some clips that we made in the beginning of this video. I look so emo. Like, I was looking at myself in the mirror and I was like, I look so emo. Like, I'm like, okay, so this is heated up. So I'm going to curl it. Your bangs are going this way. I'm going to try to like have the curl going this way. I don't know if that made sense, but I'm just going to show you how I do it. Okay, hopefully I do it right, because sometimes I just like totally screw up. Me thinking. Okay, so I'm grabbing the iron like this and twisting my hand so I can like curl it outwards and then twist it out and then go downward. Oh. congratulations, we have curled the hair. The curl was like super curled, so I'm just gonna like hold it down. When I'm done with my hair, I'm going to do the makeup. I had to like literally like screenshot and like try to figure out what kind of makeup look she had. It was like honestly the most simple thing I've ever seen. So I'm going to recreate it for you guys. I just recently bought, literally today, I bought this white peach palette because I noticed that she had like a peach shade like in her crease. So we're gonna try to recreate that as great as we can. I'm going to use my hangover moisturizer or my primer. I'm just gonna prime the whole face. So what I like to do, as if you guys seen my videos, I like to use Tarte Shape Tape and put it on my eyelids, basically like setting my eyes. Okay, while that's being set, I'm going to show you guys what shades I'm going to be using in this palette. I'm really excited to use it. It's my first time using it. So here is the palette. This is all the colors it has. So pretty, I love it. This is the color I think I'm going to use. I think I'm going to use this one, the peach color, and I'm going to use this one for glitter because she has like a very sheen glitter. I'm probably going to use like, I'm going to see how it looks on the packing brush first because I'm scared that's going to be a little bit too much, but I have another palette that I think will work perfectly. So I think we're all set and ready to go. I'm going to go in with Creme de la Peach, and I'm just going to use this in my crease. You know, I'm kind of getting disappointed with this. It's like not coming out. It's like not very pigmented, I'd say. Oh, it's because I was like looking down, so I really didn't see. But yeah, there we go. There's some orange coming out. So I'm noticing right now that this color is like kind of good for it, but I'm gonna go in a little bit darker just because I'm looking again and it looks a little bit more golden. I'm gonna go in with this Desi and Katie palette, and I'm gonna use the transition shade Necessary. So I'm just gonna like go in under it, and I feel like that would make it a little bit darker, still look pretty. Now I'm going to get a small blending brush. This is like kind of like a smaller, like little baby Morphe brush. And I'm actually going to get a darker color in the Desi and Katie palette. And I'm going to choose, I choose you. It is called Churro. Just because I feel like her look is a little bit more glowy and a lot more darker. So I'm going to go in with a smaller blending brush and just kind of like blend a small layer into the crease, into the side of the crease a little bit more. I'm going to dip into this color right here called Just a Kiss, and I'm going to use a packing brush that has no name on it. I'm not going to like scrape it, I'm just going to like tap it because Ari literally looks like she has just pure glitter on her eye. I'm going to get now a clean blending brush and just blend out the edges. And it has like kind of like a winged eye with like a brown eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this. It's a clean eyebrow pencil, and I'm just going to use it as a eyeliner because I'm horrible at eyeliner. So life hack, I'm just going to dip into a brown shade here and try to do this as best as I can. So now I'm going to do the rest of my face normally. It's Born This Way in the shade Light Beige. I'm going to be using my NARS concealer and just highlighting the points of my face that I want to be a little bit more brighter. Next thing, I'm going to be using the Hello Flawless powder by Benefit and just powdering my whole face, setting it in place. Oh, that rhymed. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on to eyebrows. Ariana has like kind of like blockier eyebrows than me, kind of like have more of like an arch. So I'm going to try to recreate that look by making them a little bit more blocky, like right here. And yeah, so let's get started. So what I did that helped a lot was actually outline the eyebrow shape that kind of like mimicked Ariana Grande's. Make sure to do it with a very light hand because if you do it dark, then sometimes it could be a little bit more harsh. So I'm just feathering out everything else that I needed to get filled out, and basically that's it. Also added some brow gel by Boy Brow. The next thing I did was I dipped into some bronzer and I started to contour my face like Ariana Grande. I actually tried to make my chin a little bit pointier like hers, and I focused a lot on my jawline. the next thing I did was add some highlight from the Becca and Chrissy Teigen little palette that I have, and I just added it on the top of my cheeks. And then I went again with another highlighter called Chasing the Sun. It's a collaboration by Desi and Katie, Dose of Colors. I wanted to be super duper glowy in this one, so I added a lot of highlighter and actually wet my brush. After we're done with the glow, I'm going to go in with some lipstick. I'm going to use the lipstick Skew. It's like kind of like a sheer gloss in a way, but it still like has like some color in it, so I'm going to go in that first. Ariana has like such like a very glossy look. It's very like 90s or like early 2000s. I'm gonna use this first as like a base color, and then I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Camila Cabello collection in the shade, I don't know what shade it was, but it was one of these little like, it looks a lot like the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, the universal one. It even has the same applicator and everything, so I'm just gonna like put that over top. Oh, I forgot mascara. Let me put on mascara and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so this is the final makeup look. Thankfully this curl has like gone down a bit, so now it's gonna be, my favorite part is putting in these little clippies that we made earlier. They're super easy to make, literally like 5 minutes, probably less than that. But yeah, I'm just gonna put in my hair accordingly. I think she has 2 pink ones on the top, so I'm gonna put one here. This is the final look. It's like super duper easy. I literally did this in like an hour. So just like a high pony, your little like flowers. It looks so cute. It's very like springy, I'd say. I know we're still in winter time, but like this is a look. Like I'm obsessed. This is definitely one of those like Ariana's iconic looks. I was like low-key like hidden in the video, but I saw it and I was like, that is so cute and it looks kind of easy to do. So yeah, this is kind of the look. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single like and every single view. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel when I'm making more celebrity content, more things that you guys like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!